guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Say hello, Jasmin. Hello. So, we have been a while. So, Dubai Desert Rescue. Looks there. Wow, it looks so cool. In the box. Throw this around it. So we're almost unboxed. Trying to get it out.
Hello, Jasmin. What is the name of your baby? Tell us the name of your baby. Does she have a name?
I know. Fatima.
Fatima. Okay. And how old is she?
She's good.
Yeah, I know she's good, but how old is she? Do you?
New.
She's new. She doesn't have any age. No.
No.
Okay, she's very new, right? Very new baby. Hey, but I thought we are unboxing. What happened? Now we have started testing video rather than unboxing video.
Look, guys. Looks so cool. Daddy, can just this I have to.
Well, it's stuck in there. Probably maybe we'll have to use scissors to cut it off. Oh, very nice of you, Jasmin. Can you share some with her as well? Okay. What is that?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Oh, chocolate bar. Nice. And your baby, does it eat chocolate as well? Or is too new, as you say? She can't eat? Okay.
Because she don't open her mouth.
She can't open her mouth? Because she's the new baby, right? Okay.
This is how it looks. A horse. Here, horses. Yeah. Cool. Look, you can turn this one. See? I turn the propellers like this. Wow. And look how it looks, guys. Hey, give me this. That's so. This one goes here and this one goes here. Look, guys. I want to park on car. That's not Mercedes. Oh, this Bentley. Wow. Oh, you can open the door. Cool. Open this. This is a Mercedes G-Class, and look at the engine. Let's the horses will go here. No, they go. My car, this car go here. This right there. How you put the Hot Wheel is too small for it. It's too small. Oh no, it's almost long as the line. Go. Oh. What was it? Which propeller? I don't remember. You can turn the propeller. And I don't know which one.
I think your baby is asleep.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's just be quiet.
I parked the helicopter. My car is parked. Now where are the... Oh, stop it, they didn't go here. Oh, wow. Oh, this goes... I have one more surprise. I have another surprise. Robot. No, look, this police car police station. And also this goes. Look, this is the police station, and here are all the police cars under it. The police cars. And the robot is a police robot. Police. It goes to the police station in case a bad robot comes. Wow, camels, Daddy. Camels. See?
And how many camels do we have there?
1, 2, 3, 4. She's Fatima, but she fell asleep.